Welcome to Silika Mag. In today's tutorial, we will learn one-piece umbrella cutting dress. It's a very good project, especially in summer season. If you are first time here, uh, please subscribe and hit the like button so you will get notification for my upcoming tutorial. So I just take this 28 inches fabric and I'm going to fold it in this way in the bias angle, and now I'm going to mark first shoulder line. Here I'm making dress for a 5 to 6 years old girl, so my shoulder line is 5 inches and my armhole line is also 5 inches, and then the chest is 6 inches, and then the waist again I take almost 4.5 inches, and now I'm just joining all these lines. Don't skip the video, I will explain you after marking all these lines. See, as you can see in the picture, and after that how you need to cut the hemline I will explain you in further in this video, and also I will show you how to make the neckline. So now I just mark here my neckline. I don't want very wide neckline, so I make here the 4 by 4 inches, and now it's time to cut over these tracing lines. And guys, if you are beginner, you can check in my playlist complete course for beginners. It's absolutely free. In 6 videos you will learn from scratch each and everything, how to take your measurement, pattern making, cutting, stitching, step by step. So now it's time to mark for our hemline. You can see I just placed my measuring tape on top of my this dress, and now I'm just marking and now just cutting this way. It depends what length you want. Here I take it 28 inches, so that's how it's one piece dress. You can see now I will attach front and back together. Place your fabric right side on the right side, and now it's time to stitch. Also I will add the sleeves, so don't skip the video. So see here, first thing is to stitch the shoulder lines. At the starting and end you need to double lock it, means double stitch it, so it will not easily remove. These tips are specially I mentioned for the beginners. So see, I just stitched the shoulder lines. Now it's time to stitch the fitting lines, and I will show you how on this curve you need to turn your sewing machine. So don't skip here. See, that's how you will start, and when you reach on your waistline you need to down your needle and then turn your fabric. So in this way you will get a pointed shape on your waistline, and it will look very beautiful and elegant. So otherwise if you will go without this step, your waistline will be a little curvy. So see, that's how it will look, and it needs pressing. Now it's time to cut the bias binding for the neckline. If you don't know how to make neckline, you can check in my playlist. I already uploaded a very detailed tutorial how you can finish your neckline with bias binding. So see, after that I'm just taking this piece of small fabric because I don't want the sleeveless dress. But if you want the sleeveless dress, you can make the bias binding same as you will do on your neckline. So see, now it's time to fold, and here I'm just attaching the bias binding with my neckline, and See, after that you need to stitch it properly. So guys, as you know that I take my neckline here 4x4, but my actually the fabric was very stretchy, so that's why I make it narrow. But after binding it, it will become stiff. So it is a bit I mean the small neckline is small, so now I'm turning this my mistake into a design. So let's see, I just take here a piece and now I'm making here a V shape and stitching that V shape, and then I just cut from the center. Now I'm turning this inside, and inside fabric I will do the hemming, but you can also stitch with machine, but my fabric is very delicate, so I decided to just do the hemming. So that's how you can complete your neckline if in case you make it a bit narrow. So I will show you how I finish it adding the buttons as well. So don't skip the video. I'm just hemming it. If you don't know how to do the invisible hemming, my tutorial detailed tutorial is already on my channel. See, that's how I just make the fabric button. And if you want to learn how to make your own fabric buttons, please comment below. I will make a detailed tutorial. You can see I just add a matching fabric button. You can see that's how this mistake turned into a design.